Hello, Teresa Tree, Miss Tree here. I want to show you around the garden today. There's a couple projects that I'm working on and wanted to update you on them. Here we go. Hint, hint, there's a new sign behind me. This sign is called Life Cycle of a Monarch Butterfly, and it's going to be placed right here in your guys' garden because we're going to create habitat for monarchs to live and survive and have some food to eat right here in your garden. Their population has been dwindling, and so we're going to do what we can to help bring back butterflies. So these are some of the plants that we're going to put in the ground that will attract butterflies, meaning that they like them. The yarrow has a nice big flat yellow flower that they can land on, so that's one they like. The California lilac is also called ceanothus. They visit that. California buckwheat has little white puffy flowers on it. Sage, California native sage. This one's called chicory sage. There's so many varieties of sage. And the monkey flower. So these are going to be part of the habitat we're going to create for the butterflies. So we're going to start redoing this hillside that's always been a problem because of the runoff. So we're going to have to dig and create a terrace, and the plants can live along the top edge here, and then there'll be terrace so that they'll have a retaining wall behind the plants. We had to take out the old dead lemon tree, and so that finally had to say goodbye to that. But say hello to your new Meyer lemon tree growing right here. So we will have a lemon tree for you, so that if life presents lemons, make lemonade. Here's another project that I'm working on. I got this pile of soil and I had to go pick it up, bring it over here in trash cans, and we're going to add soil to the garden beds, especially this one here. We're going to raise it up on the sides by putting some 2x4 lumber, and then we'll put more soil in here to raise up the soil level. These plants are struggling over here. Not enough sun and not enough soil. This citrus tree was in a pot and I transplanted it here. It's also suffering because it's not getting enough soil, so I'm going to build like a little box around it. I'm going to put more soil in around this citrus tree here. Here's another angle of the hillside. These pieces of wood here were placed to try to be like a retaining wall, but they're not doing much. So we're really going to have to dig out a whole channel and build it up with a retaining wall so that the soil will stay in place so that the plants can grow better, including these fruit trees. We had an apple, another apple, and another apple tree here. And the life cycle of the monarch butterfly, hopefully we'll get some more adult butterflies that emerge and have food to eat, and then they lay their eggs on milkweed plants, and they become little caterpillars that will eat on the plants, including milkweed, and then a chrysalis forms, a cocoon, and then they are transformed and metamorphosized, it's called. Underneath the sign we have a California sage plant, the purple sage. We're going to keep that there. We have another California native plant here, Artemisia californica, California sagebrush. We're going to keep that, and so we're going to plant some more California native shrubs along here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short tour of your school garden today. Things are growing, things are staying healthy out here, and hope you are too, being healthy and happy and smart. Time to harvest broccoli and some cauliflowers. Not yet, they're still growing down in there. All right. Hope to see you in the garden this spring. Enjoy the springtime weather.